Hello everybody. So today I want to talk about calculus, the topic that is about application of integration. So now I want to show you how to answer. The formula of this one that is about to b, and we have the integration from a to b, and we have s multiplied by f of s minus 3s. So we know that f of s that is about s squared, 3s that is about y equal to number 0 in here. And now we have like this. A that is about number 1, b that is about number 4 in here. So we calculate this one. The integration of this one, we have s to the power of 4 over 4, and we put the powers from number 1 to number 4. So we calculate this one, and we have 255 b over number 2. This is the end. Thank you for watching.